To create a custom guide layout in Photoshop, first open your document or create a new one by going to File, New, and choosing your desired document size. Once your document is open, go to the View menu at the top and select Guides, New Guide Layout. A new guide layout window will appear, giving you several options for creating a custom guide system. Under Columns, you can enter the number of columns you want and adjust the gutter value to control the space between each column. You can also set the rows by enabling the Rows option and entering the number of rows and the desired gutter spacing. If you want to create space around the edges of your document, enable Margins and enter specific values for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. You can also adjust each value to create an exact layout depending on your design needs. If you already have guides on your canvas, you can enable the option to Clear Existing Guides, so Photoshop removes the old guides before applying the new layout. Once you have entered all the settings, click OK, and Photoshop will automatically create the guides across your document. You can then use these guides to align text, images, shapes, logos, and other design elements more accurately. If you need to make changes later, simply go back to View, Guides, New Guide Layout, adjust the settings, and click OK again to create a new custom layout.